boy Salem. So right here, I'm here to walk you step by step on how to complete the Torium Testnet. And we know Torium is a new decentralized crypto project that is flooding the internet right now, flooding the crypto space right now, and many crypto enthusiasts has taken their place on this project. And according to their roadmap, you could see on their roadmap, the TGE is next year 2027, and you could see by yourself that according to the roadmap we are on the list of the testnet. The first and the second place of their roadmap has been completed, and we are now in the testnet number. So we are on the side of the testnet right now. So I'm just here to walk you step by step on how to complete the testnet. So all you need to do is very simple. Just go straight to your wallet section. This is the wallet section. Click on it. If you click on it, it will take you directly to the wallet section. So right here on the wallet, if you haven't created it, do where to create your wallet. Just do where to create. They will give you 3,200 testnet Torium token. So right here is the mainnet. So when the mainnet has fully come, so you'll see all your balance right here on the upside. So but right now I just want to participate on the testnet. So all you need to do, you copy the address of your friend. Then after you copy it, then you click right here. So this is where you click. So just click right here, which is the send. Send. So you are sending to your friend. So just click on it. So the reason for the testnet is just to test the network, which is the blockchain, how fast it is in transactions. So all you need to do, I'll paste the address right here. Like a friend of mine sent me his address. So let me pause. So this is the address that was sent. You can see it right here. So I'll copy it right now. So right now, just paste the address right here. Click on it. Then you paste it. So I'm pasting it right here. Paste the address. So it has been pasted. So all you need to do, so paste it. Then add the amount you are sending. Let me say I'm sending 50. So I'm sending 50 TOR token. So I'm sending right now. Click on send. So it's very easy. Just click on send and wait patiently. It says sent successfully. So it has been sent successfully. So you can see my balance has changed. So this is just how to participate on it. Then you can send your address to your friend just by you copying your address right here. You copy your address right here, send it to your friend. It will send you like 50 or others. This is just to test the testnet. So if you find this video helpful, do it to like this video and give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel to grow it into a mighty channel. Thank you. Peace out.